I'm not trying everything.
You tried Mr. Moon?
No. Look! Why is Mr. Moon not coming out?
He's behind the clouds.
Is he up there?
Yeah,
Where?
in the sky.
In the sky where heaven is?
Where heaven is, yes.
Where?
Up there,
Huh?
in the sky.
Point to it. Point to it.
There.
Right
Yeah.
there?
Yeah.
Take me out there.
You want me to take you up there?
Yeah.
I'm not an airplane.
Huh?
I'm not an airplane.
Well, you gotta fix something.
I gotta fix something?
No, I gotta fix something.
What do you gotta fix?
We gotta get the tools. We gotta get Daddy's tools.
Yeah. What are we gonna do with Daddy's tools?
We gotta build a fire trip.
We're gonna build a fire truck?
No,
What are you doing?
I hear something.
What do you hear?
I hear your phone.
My phone? You hear E.T.?
I hear me in your phone.
You hear you in your phone?
Mm-hmm.
You can't have my phone.
Well, I'm looking at it. See, it's
Here.
me. It's me. No, that's Dorothy.
Yeah. What do you want to talk about?
Why is Mr. Moon not coming out?
Because it's cloudy and he's shy.
But where's heaven?
Heaven's up in the sky.
Where?
Everywhere.
Look! He's right there.
Yeah. Who's in heaven?
A boyfriend?
No. My boyfriend's not in heaven. I don't have a boyfriend.
Look!
Oh, yes.
Why is he shy now? He's coming out again. He's not shy anymore.
No.
No. Why is he moving?
It's the clouds are moving.